Hey guys, Akaya Burst here, and today I'll be doing my video on Super Hyperion. I've gotten multiple sparking pages in yet, and insofar I'm still waiting on one I'm still waiting on my Glide Ragnarok to come in. But it'll probably be here at some point, probably before I've done my videos on all the other sparking probably before I've posted all the videos on the other sparking bays. But before I start, I have an announcement. So I've realized that I model bays faster than I can print them. And when in my case, where I rarely get the print right on the first try, and I constantly have to retry 5-hour prints, I realized that I can't really do it and line up with my upload schedule. And there's bays that I really want to put out that I can't put out until I've made a video on them. So what I've decided to do is, I think I'm gonna start putting my bays up on Shapeways, like as a store, because, like, for multiple reasons. My first reason is, because with files, it's a lot easier for my base to get stolen. I have seen lots of other cases where people have gotten the base stolen due to, like, files. Also, most people who download the files of Thingiverse are going to be going to Shapeways to print it anyway. So I thought that I might as well be making some form of, like, if they're already going there, I might as well make some form of profit with my work. And the funds from this will primarily be going into new videos, like funding them, like stuff to improve my printing, and like new bays, like stuff like that. It will mainly be used to fund that. I need to record more, because I've been starting a lot more since I've been recording a lot less. As for Garuda, I'll still leave up the Thingiverse post, but I'll also be putting it up on Shapeways. So if you haven't gotten Garuda already, I would ask if you could get it through my store on Shapeways if you were already gonna take it to a 3D printing service. But again, the files are still up on my Thingiverse, so do it. So that's just Garuda. But in the future, any other bays I make will be on Shapeways. And the way I'm gonna do it is bays, because with modeling bays, there's a little hole in it, and that hole's for the chassis, which sometimes with me there's a very fine line between getting the contact points on the surface area of that and not doing it. So there are bays I have tested to make sure the hole works, and bays I haven't tested, so I'll just mark that. Out of all the bays I'm putting up there, I think there's just one that I haven't been able to test. So I'll test that when I get the chance. But I do hope that I get to make more bays, and hopefully I do get to showcase these bays on my channel soon. But wow, I've spent 3 minutes talking about Shapeways. Now actually onto Super Hyperion. It has, of course, the Super Ring and the Hyperion chip, that nice blue and gold sparking chip core. The 1A chassis, which I've got mixed opinions about, really. Like, it's a right spin only chassis, double chassis. I mean, it's alright for what it is. I don't really like the contact points on it. I feel like they don't do super much justice. Like, if I put it together, I don't like the way they've aligned. Like, that might be just me. I don't know how. Like, tell me how you guys feel about that in the comments below. And of course, one of the instant top tier attack drivers, Exceed. It's basically, if I had to describe it, I call it Destroy with Rubber. Destroy with Rubber. I've tried this thing in the stadium. It could be crazy. I really enjoy using attack types, so even though my 3D printer base is a balance type, I really enjoy using attack types, and I'm really enjoying the way Exceed does a lot of its attacks. For today, it will be going up against Mirage Fafnir, Nothing 2S, and King Helios, Zone 1B, in its 10-bladed mode. So, the way I'll do the battles is, I'll try and make it short and sweet. First to 3 points, I think I'll do. Yeah, first to 3, for both of them. See you guys. I know I said I'd be using the Decagon from now on, but there's something more preferable about this stadium. I don't know what it is. Oh wait, so we'll do King Helios first. Alright, Hyperion's going crazy. I haven't really had a lot of practice today, so my launchers might be a little weak. Plus my launchers are a bit weak. But yeah, Hyperion's just circling. Not really too much. It's weird. Like, obviously, this is a weird time to say this since it's not up against Fafnir. If you hand spin Hyperion against Fafnir, it spin steals really well. And Hyperion wins. I don't know what it is about Hyperion, but it just does a really good job of spin stealing from Fafnir. Like, I know. I'll say it in this clip. 1 point to Hyperion, 1-0. Alright guys, round 2. As I was saying, for some reason, when my right launcher wasn't working, I would try like hand spinning Hyperion against Fafnir. It was better than Fafnir at hand spin stealing. It was actually crazy. We got a good opening hit from Hyperion. It's just circling around. This might be a repeat of last match. I'm gonna try to tilt the launcher next round. Oh! Zone scraping. It's scraping. Oh, and it's done. I think I might switch Helios into 5-bladed because it just isn't doing well. Anyway, the score's 2-0. Next round. Okay, Helios is in its 5-bladed mode. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Oh, I very nearly got the thing caught on the camera this time. Like, you don't see this, but when I'm recording, when I launch, the string sometimes gets caught on the tripod and trips up the camera. So sometimes I have to cut clips solely because my camera got tripped up. Like, it's really annoying. Like, so I have to be super careful when launching. That's why I started launching, like this. But, yeah, I do think Helios is standing its ground better. Never mind, it just lost. 3-0 to Hyperion. Next battle against Fafnir. Guys, I'm back with Mirage Fafnir in its absorb mode because, of course, Hyperion's right spin. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Oh, I very nearly got caught. Hyperion's going a lot more in depth against Fafnir. He's delivering somehow. Oh, that noise that Fafnir makes. I can't wait to do the Fafnir video because that noise is just perfect. I love that noise. I'm gonna call that a tie. Next round. 0. First tie I've seen while on video in a while. I think the last time it was like against Lord and Master, I believe. Oh, it's caught on the... Oh, alright, if I do it carefully. Oh no, I'll have to leave it on for the duration of the battle and then take it off when it's done. Because I can't risk this clip. Oh, good hits. Hyperion wins! Scores 1-0. Now to untangle my ripcord from the tripod so I don't trip it up. I got the ripcord, I got the string off. It was a lot easier than it looked, strangely enough. It was only just looped around, but it looked like it was tangled. 3, 2, 1. Oh, KO for Hyperion. Nice. No clicks to either one, except for Hyperion when I picked it up, but that doesn't really count. Next battle, scores 2. I think this is the first battle test video I've done where Lord wasn't involved. And there's something just a lot, like, really refreshing about that. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Hyperion going crazy. I do want to do one round. I hope Hyperion loses this round, because if it does, then I'm going to put Fafnir in counter mode. I want to call that either Hyperion or a tie. for the sake of me using... Oh, wait, Fafnir took a click. For the sake of me using Fafnir in counter mode, I'm going to call it a tie. But, obviously I can look back at the footage. Yeah, I can look back at the footage sometime. You tell me what you thought. Like, it's honestly doing a lot better than I thought, both of them. There's 2-0, and Mirage Fafnir is in counter mode. Alright, let's go. Obviously, this is more suited to less spins. But against a bit like Hyperion, it just, like, Mirage versus Hyperion, I don't know what it is, but it just, like, stop it. Locking Hyperion out from spin stealing, from reverse spin stealing, it just seems like the right choice. Oh, and it wasn't. Hyperion just won that, I think. What, did Hyperion just win? There's no way Hyperion just won. I think he just won. We'll call it Hyperion's win. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Also remember, I've put my beys up on, as I'm recording this, I'm either planning to, or I have put beys up on Shapeways. I'll leave the link to my shop in the description below. There should be about somewhere between 3 and 5 sparking beys up there. Yeah, it should be that much. I know I have an Anubis up there, and obviously Garuda. I hope you, and I do hope that if people do print them. Oh wait, actually this is a good segue. If you're not already in my Discord, but you have bought, but you have gotten one of my beys made, like, feel free to join the Discord, because, and like post the bay, like a picture of it, because I love seeing, like, I just really enjoyed, like, with Garuda, seeing people's prints of it, and it was just a really good feeling. And like, I do want to see more of, like, because it's just weird to see, like, I don't know how to explain it, but I'm starting so much in this video. I need to get used to recording again. But yeah, if you haven't already, join the Discord. It's honestly a very dead server, so I'm hoping to get people in there to make it active again. I'll probably put 3D printed Beyblade in the tags of this video, because obviously I'm talking about Shapeways and that. But I might take it out at some point. Like, if I feel like it's too clickbaity, I might not put it in if I feel it's too clickbaity, but as of now, I'm thinking I'm probably gonna put it in before I'm on edge about it. Alright guys, so I'll see you later. Hope you enjoyed. And goodbye. Fafnir and Helios videos will be soon. I love how I just say goodbye and then immediately segue into something else. What was I on about? Alright. Helios and Fafnir, I'll be recording those soon. And then, hopefully, by the time those are out, my Ragnarok and other beys will be here. I'm planning to get Rage and Lucifer. And hopefully Satan at some point if I can. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. And goodbye.